just received this couch from Amazon for review, and today we're going to be coming on here and taking a look at it. So first of all, as you can see, it is a boneless couch. So first of all, I'm going to sit in this. I am 5'8" just for reference, and this is how I look sitting in it. It is very sturdy, and honestly, you just have to let it out for a few days, because at the beginning I was kind of like sinking in. But now I feel like it's kind of like a regular couch. This is me more like laying on it. Like this. It's super, super comfortable. And this has kind of like a furry material to it. Just like a cozy blanket would. And then it does come with 3 pillows. So 2 main ones here. And then 1 here. And then it also comes with an ottoman. So you can move this wherever you like. You can kind of move this here. You can move it like this, whichever way you want. And then the super cool thing about this, you can make this into different scenarios. So first of all, we're gonna do this. I just made it into 2 separate seating areas. So you could be sitting here with somebody, chatting with them. But you can also make it into kind of like a movie night setting. So let me show you guys. So you can actually undo these like this. You can kind of make it into a wider cushion. So we're gonna put this here, and then we will put this to the back, take this off. Put this pillow back here, and then do the same with this one. All right. And then we will put this pillow right here, and this right here. So, in a matter of literally a few seconds, I made this into the perfect, cozy movie night setting. This is honestly perfect if you have kids. It's kind of like a movie night / play area for them. This is so cozy, so comfy, and it also has bottle holders. So you can easily just put your bottles in there. So while you're watching a movie, easily just put a bottle in there. It's not going to fall out. It's very sturdy, very well made. I absolutely love this. This is kind of what it looks like if I'm jumping on it. Very sturdy. It will hold me. This is a great way to kind of have a cozy space for your kids or for yourself, you and your partner. Me and my husband use this all the time for kind of movie nights. I'll show you guys a scene right now. This is how we made it the other night. We also added some extra blankets and just made it super cozy. But yeah, I definitely recommend this. I also want to show you guys a few closer up. So this is the material. Just wanted to show you guys closer up. As you can see, it's kind of like a soft blanket material. This is the water bottle holder or drink holder. And yeah, this is kind of what it looks like more closely. But yeah, it's got a decent size to it. I'm loving it. I'm loving that you can contract it and make it into a smaller couch, or spread it out and make it into a bigger one. So super fun couch. Love it. Go get yours.